Hi guys, I'm Andrew Brown and I'm the CFO at Ooni. Today I'm going to be making pepperoni sombreros. What's a pepperoni sombrero? Well, it's my little pizza hack, my secret weapon to making the best pizzas here at Ooni HQ. What you do, you fold up the pepperoni and you get a nice little char around the top, and it also creates a cup that holds all the grease and stops it spilling out all over the pizza. Okay, so this is really simple. There's 3 steps. 1, the tear, 2, the fold, and 3, the pop. So first you're going to tear from the edge of the pepperoni right into the centre. You don't need to be too accurate with this. And then you're going to fold it in on itself to create a cone shape, and you're going to use the fat in the pepperoni to stick the sides down. So then you have a cone. And then finally we're going to pop the edge of the cone in on itself. And what this does is create a flat, stable base for your pepperoni to sit on the pizza. And it also helps to hold the structure a little bit better.